This is Airsoft Atlanta bringing you a quick look at the TSD G96 gas sniper rifle. The TSD G96 shoots between 430 to 480 feet per second. It uses a bolt action and shoots only one BB at a time for the most accurate of shots. The G96 comes with one 18-round metal gas mag. The TSD G96 features an adjustable cheek rest attached to a foldable stock for easy storage and transport. It also comes with an adjustable bipod and a scope mount. For more information about this gun, please visit our website, airsoftatlanta.com. Get that CO2 out of my face.
Get that CO2 out of my face.